So a day does not start tomorrow. The day starts the night before. खाने में है भाई ये थाई करी, इसमें बहुत सारी सब्जियां डाली हैं, कुछ तो फिर छोले खुद बनाए और राइस और चावल सब्जी दी। Look at that. Oh. Oh, food. Oh my god, that looks good. Oh my god.
It's just basic stuff.
Thank you for the food. Oh, burning hot out there. Oh. Thanks, Jessica. Yeah. Okay, back at the working space. Oh boy, it's gonna be a hot day. It's gonna be a hot day. Whew. Okay. Oh, 32 miles. We are in Upper Ho High. और यहाँ पे ना there's this guy called Krishna Murthy. Check him out. He's on the screen. This is a screenshot. And he has a lot of international schools here. I would want to work in those schools. Ah, but I want to pee right now, man. So bad. Oh. There's this thing I still haven't figured out, which is how can I hydrate in the morning and I don't have to go and stop on my rides or my runs. Okay.
Oh boy.
Alright. Good morning. It was fast. It So it's not a fast move out of the house. It's overcast today. We are feeling good. And I like it like that. Okay, so as I was riding, something came off the bike. I don't know how serious this is, but I'm glad I heard it. Just 6 minutes in and I was like, I like it like that. But that didn't go well for long. Now I can tell you like that. Oh boy.